Hi. So before I start, better let me sit down here. So this is the place where I sit mostly, and I'll be doing my artwork sitting here. So friends, welcome back to my channel Ripples on Road, and namaste everyone. So today I'm very happy. The reason is today is the last day where Velankani and Vikrant, they will be finishing their job, that is the artwork on the boat. After that, what will happen is it may take some days or months to finish the fiberglass and other things. So it may take some time for my next video to come to be uploaded. So in meanwhile, I'll be posting some other videos which I had been to other places. So thanks friends for watching my channel. If at all you like, please do subscribe and share it with your friends, because this art is something very different from what we do, and as I know, I'm also an artist, so what I do is something different. So friends, if at all you like it, please do share with your friends and families, so that someone will be interested in taking up this work as a profession. So thank you very much. Thank you. Hope you'll enjoy this. Thank you very much. So Velankani is doing a design on that. So he has put a tracing this one so that it comes similar to that. So you can see Velankani has put the outer the linings with the tape on both the sides. What Velankani is doing is he is writing the name of the boat, but if you see from here, now he has put a sticker and he has written on that. Now he is removing the stickers. This is very interesting. Those who are in India, they will know this language, because it's Marathi, that's Devanagari script. So Velankani is doing that. He is removing. He has already written on that, and now he is removing the tapes. And Vikrant is doing some painting down. Is in Marathi. The name is Eliana. Eliana is the owner's daughter's name. So he has named this boat in the name of his daughter. So it's called Eliana. So friends, you can see Velankani is writing it. I'm not going down inside because it's difficult to enter and come out of this boat. So I am showing you how he's doing it from up. See his free hand. And so he will go and measure that, because it should be of the same size and the same distance. So he's measuring it, and again he's coming back. So imagine doing all this paintings and everything. They move around maybe about 20-30 kilometers. So then they will cut this sticker. So he has written the name and he will cut it. What they are doing is, they removed that cutout and they filled the color on that, so white color, and the background will be blue, so that you can see that name. So here Velankani you can see, and here our Vikrant is doing. So here is Vikrant.
Hello.
So he is doing here. So we are coming to the end. No, Vikrant?
Yes.
We are coming to the end of this marathon painting. I don't know how many hours, because we were coming here, I was coming here 9:30, 10 like that, and up to 5:30, 6. Sometimes 6:30 also. So this is what he is doing here. I cannot go down, so because to go down there is a rope ladder here, what you see, and it is difficult for me to get down and come up. So I decided to sit on this ladder here, This is I'm standing on this the wooden ladder here, and there are some workers who are working here. So this is the life of an artist like Vikrant and Velankani. So it's not a piece of cake.
But it is used to us.
He is telling I am used to this. That's a great thing. And you can see that guy over there. Very interesting. Hi. So what he's doing is cleaning the place where they have to apply fiberglass, and that is the propeller. So the propeller will go inside that section. So the propeller will go inside that. The engine will be here somewhere here. So now you can see the clear picture here, but you know the people who are in India, you can make out that it is not. So this is reverse painting here. If I want to tell you in just 2 seconds or 3 seconds, what you read is something different. When it comes out, the mold comes out, it will be something different. Max, Vikrant and Velankani, after finishing marathon work, they are coming down, and you can see here both are getting down off the ladder. So, great thing, both of you did a great job.
Thank you.
So, so friends, I am taking the last video before the boat is constructed. So this is the mold, and after that they will start work on the boat, the fiberglass and the machine and everything. So this is how it looks from here.